have gathered here on the very special occasion of our India as called as the Republic of India. I would like to narrate a Republic Day speech in front of you. India got independence from British rule on 15th of August in 1947, which we celebrate as the Republic Day of India. However, on 26th of January, since 1950 we celebrate as Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th January. So we celebrate this day as a Republic Day every year. This year we are celebrating 71st Republic Day of India. Republic means the supreme power of people living in the country, and the public has right to elect their representative as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. In this great occasion, we should remember the sacrifices of our great Indian freedom fighters. We must follow their spirit, path, and in this way we should fight against crime, corruption, and violence. And also be aware of social issues like poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, and inequality, global warming, etc. and etc. In order to solve them, to go ahead as a citizen of India, we should think seriously about it and do all positive efforts to lead our nation. Anyways friends, once again Happy Republic Day. Thanks for giving this opportunity to one and all. Jai Hind. I would like to wish a very happy morning in our principal, honorable principal sir, and my beloved teachers, respected elders on the village, and my lovely classmates. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day. It is an important day. All are Indians. All are Indians. Today's when a few fellows Indians talking about the fear of losing basic rights that the Indian Constitution given by the Indian Constitution we are celebrating Republic Day in national festival. Her day is celebrated 26 January. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India comes into effect. Our Constitution give few rights and few responsibilities to our. We are democratic country. In society we have so castes, religions, or many other things that separate on Banda. are all Indians. We have so many languages. And we also have conflict and difference on but on the national festivals.
Thank you.
For me the great opportunity to friends in your for all to express my wish. Bharat Mata ki Jai. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకి, పెద్దలకి, ఉపాధ్యాయులకి, నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. భారతదేశంలో గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని భారత రాజ్యాంగం అమలులోకి వచ్చిన రోజులో జరుపుకుంటాం. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జనవరి 26న భారత గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుతారు. 1950 జనవరి 26న భారత రాజ్యాంగం అమలులోకి వచ్చింది. భారత రాజ్యాంగం అమలులోకి వచ్చింది. 1949 నవంబర్ 26న భారత రాజ్యాంగం నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు, పెద్దలకు నా నమస్కారం.
స్టాఫ్ లో ఇంకెవరైనా మాట్లాడవలసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటే